Hello Collective, ito ulit tayo sa inyong reading. Kuha tayo ng card of the day o tarot card or tarot message for the day. I'm Purple Teen. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, like, or follow. At kung nakapag-follow, subscribe ka na, maraming salamat sa iyong support sa palaging pagsubaybay. I truly appreciated yung magagandang comments. Yan, yung mga nagjo-join ng membership natin sa YouTube, yung mga nag-a-avail ng subscription sa ating FB page, and also yung mga nag-a-avail ng personal reading services natin. And speaking of personal reading services, meron tayong ongoing promo until June 12 na lang yan. Kaya yung mga gustong humabol, mag-message privately lang kayo sa aking official FB page kung balak ninyong mag-book or mag-inquire about personal reading. So, ayan. Hugot na tayo, mga dear, kung anong mensahe para sa inyo. Tarot message for today. Or kung kailan nyo man po ito mapanood, this will also serve as a timeless reading. Ayan. So, ang na-pull out nating card is Helper of Abundance. So, Helper, hindi ko maalala if this is the Knight or the Page kasi ibang deck ito. Wait lang ha, kasi iniba nila yung tawag. Tignan natin ano yung Helper. Wait lang ha. Technical support. Helper. This, ang guardian is the king. Ang healer is the queen. Ang helper, okay. Ang helper is the knight. Okay. So, hindi ko kasi bago-bago itong deck na to and hindi ko siya laging ginagamit at iniba. So, helper is equivalent to the knight of abundance is pentacles. So, this is Knight of Pentacles energy. Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn energy, earth sign. Okay, so ang mensahe para sa inyo, sabi dito, although you have a lot to do, it's important that you get organized first. Once planning is complete, you can roll up your sleeves and get to work. Your guardian angels surround you and are ready to help out. This card also indicates a very loving, kind, and loyal friend. O yan. So, pwede nga tumutukoy daw dito is a friend. So, baka naman yung friend mo na yan is an earth sign. No? Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Or basta meron ditong energy ng earth sign. Whether ikaw yung earth sign or yung friend mo yung earth sign. Sabi dito, napaka-loving, kind, loyal, and supporting itong friend na ito sa'yo. Okay, so siguro, dadamayan ka niya, tutulungan ka niya, kahit na hindi ka humihingi ng tulong sa kanya, no? Ayan, so mapalad ka na itong friend mo is nandito siya para sa'yo ngayong araw na to. Okay, or at least someone, kung hindi mo friend, at least someone will express kung gaano sila ka-concern sa'yo, tutulungan ka nila, no? Ayan, someone with a big heart, a quick wit, endless patience. That person could be you. So, ayan, either it's a friend, someone close to you, someone special, or pwedeng ikaw daw, yung person na yon na dinidescribe. Okay? Sabi dito, importante kung yung pagiging organized ngayong araw na ito. No? So, madali na kumbaga tuloy-tuloy na yung trabaho kung ito ay kung ikaw ay organized. Okay? So, kung nailatag mo na yung mga plano mo, start right away, no? Kung ano yung mga kailangan mong gawin. So, hindi lang yung bara-bara na parang aimless. So, kailangan yung pagpaplano, kailangan yung preparation, kailangan mong maging organized. Yun yung sinasuggest na itong card mo. Okay? So, ayan. So, kung meron kang gustong ma-accomplish, no, yung nafe-feel ko, mensahe nitong card na to, ngayong araw na to, ang susi is pagiging organized. Okay, collective, maraming salamat. Take care. God bless. Babush.